Welcome to part 2 in this series, where we'll be looking at aorta segmentation using micro CT scans and the Analyze Direct 14 software. This will be the second video in which we'll be looking at pre-processing our data before segmentation, and we'll be doing that using this file that's already been loaded into our workspace. And we would like to open it using the process module here on the right-hand side. Here, we will be showing 3 different processing types in the left-hand corner, including spatial filtering, morphology, as well as the histogram. We'll only be looking at 2 of these options, including the median filtering using a 3x3 kernel size. And press on process volume. This is a very quick process, and mostly we will be using the median filtering to smooth out the borders, which will make the segmentation more distinct and easier. Afterwards, we'll be clicking on the histogram processing type. We would like to preserve the intensity profile, but just widen it slightly. Hereby, we will be creating contrast between the contrast fluid inside the vascular system with the soft tissue surrounding it. And we would also like to define the bones clearly, since the aorta is pretty well connected with the spinal cord, and for the segmentation, we would like to separate those easily. Once that's all done, you can press on Save Volume, and you can create a new workspace volume containing the process data. Press Save Volume again, and that will be done. You can confirm that it's in your workspace just by looking here, and then once that's confirmed, you can exit. When you try to exit, you'll be greeted with this panel, in which it will say that you have unsaved modifications. This is because it always does a final processing after you've just saved it into your workspace, and thereby you can ignore this panel and press on exit without saving it, without consequences. Here you will have your processed data shown, and can see the differences already between your unprocessed and your pre-processed data. Thank you for watching. This is part 2 on pre-processing your data before segmentation.